had to come up here because last night it downpoured pretty freaking hard. I come up here originally because your chances of finding a nugget are really high up here. Not a bad day. It's a heavy beast. Even though you could spend a whole day prospecting and find almost absolutely nothing. We're just going to test pan around and do a little bit of exploring and see what we can find. Spots that you never would do any other time. Places that other people won't even do. You'd be surprised, man. You'll find some stuff. They're small for how much I put in my pan. Just a little palm's worth. That's pretty good. I'm gonna keep going. We'll show you what we get afterwards. That was a pretty good pan. Unfortunately, it is now downpouring, so I gotta grab all my stuff up, get my camera out of the rain. Oof. Yeah. Boom, works great. You get these right here at Adventures in Prospecting in Orville on Montgomery Street. Joey, he's the guy that you want to talk to. You go in there and you tell him, hey Joey, I need one of them snuffer holsters. He'll have exactly what you need. They're really affordable. I have not lost my snuffer bottle since. It's really, really helpful. Same out of that spot over there by that rock. So you can see we got some nails, a couple of old square nails, and then we got all this nice bit up here. And it looks like I got two pickers. So there's one, two. That's all I was waiting for, man. Yeah.